if we say Allah has a hand, for example, is this different from saying He is a physical entity? Regarding saying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a physical entity, we have to understand that when we speak about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we speak about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and that which He has said about Himself. Everyone understand that? We speak about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and that which He's spoken about Himself. So we affirm that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a hand. Assalamu alaikum. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has affirmed things. We don't have to get into the whole issue of, are we saying Allah is a physical entity? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that He is a hand. We affirm that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has affirmed for Himself. Okay? I'm not here telling that Allah is not a physical entity. That's not what I'm saying to you. I'm just trying to say to you, don't start getting into this issue because it will lead you down to a road. We say what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about Himself. وَأَقُولُ فِي الْقُرْآنِ مَا جَاءَتْ بِهِ آيَاتُهُ فَهُوَ الْكَرِيمُ الْمُنْزَلُ وَأَقُولُ قَالَ اللَّهُ جَلَّ جَلَالَهُ وَالْمُصْطَفَى الْهَادِي وَلَا أَتَأَوَّلُ. I say that which comes in the Quran, like Ibn Taymiyyah says. وَأَقُولُ فِي الْقُرْآنِ مَا جَاءَتْ بِهِ, with that which came from His ayat. آيَاتُهُ فَهُوَ الْكَرِيمُ الْمُنْزَلُ. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Al-Kareem, the one who brought down the Quran. وَأَقُولُ قَالَ اللَّهُ جَلَّ جَلَالَهُ. And I say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَالْمُصْطَفَى الْهَادِي, and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam rightly guided. وَلَا أَتَأَوُّلُ, and I don't bring anything else. So we say Allah has a hand and things like this. We say that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has brought what He brought with. But لا تشتغلوا لا تفكروا عن الله سبحانه وتعالى. Don't keep thinking about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you die upon Islam, you will see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You will see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Jannah and things like that. So don't go down this road of is this, is that. Don't go there. That was not why we brought this stuff. We brought these ayat to understand the meaning of to take away certain arguments, but it's not for us to do ta'ammuq. Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam naha an ta'ammuq. Prophet warned us from going to extreme depth into things. نكتفي بهذا